In Gather the Family, you will occasionally find faces of people who are not family members or where the computer has misidentified the person. You will want to fix these situations to improve the overall performance of the application on your family photos. When you fix these situations, you will find that Gather the Family will continue to do a better and better job of identifying people in your photos. There are several places you can remove people from your people list. On the home page, there is a list of people who have not been identified yet. If you do not want to track them, simply press the Forget Person button on the right side of the screen for that face. They will no longer be tracked. If you open an individual person from the People view, you will see a Delete Person button. Clicking that button will remove the person from your people list. If you open an individual photo from the Photos list, you can click on the faces outlined with a blue box and you will get a menu. One of the options is to Forget Face. This will remove the face from the photo and no longer track the face in the system. From this menu, you can also select the Face is not a person button. This will tell the system that the face has been misidentified in the system. It will reset the photo to not being any person. At this point, you can correct the photo to be the correct person by either typing in the name of a person in the text entry field, or you can click on the Create New Person button to create a whole new entry for this person. Check out our other videos to learn some next steps to take with Gather the Family.